Now children, after that 8.4, exercise 8.4, second question, solve it as homework. Okay, solve it as homework. And question number 3, first part and second part both are eliminated, or you can say omitted from your syllabus for this time. Omitted. Okay, question number 3, first and second part is omitted or eliminated for this year only. Okay, now let us see the fourth question. That is fourth question. First one is choose the correct answer, choose the correct option, just and justify your answer. First one is 9 6 square a minus 9 tan square a is how much you will get. Just take the common, that is take common. What you will get? 6 square a minus tan square a, which is equals to 9 into this value. We know that formula I gave you, this is 1, so equals to what? 9. So in the option C, whether 9 is given? Yes, it is given. In which option? That is option number B. So that is the correct answer. Same way you can see in fourth question second part, that is multiple choice. Second question is 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot a cot theta, this is theta, okay, cot theta minus cosec theta, that will put the value, this converted into sine into cos terms. Okay, sine theta and cos theta terms, this whole one you change it into sine into cos terms. That means 1 plus tan theta means we can write as sine theta upon cos theta, plus sec theta also we can write as 1 upon cos theta, into now 1 plus this cot theta we can write as cos theta upon sin theta, minus sine, and this side cosec theta as 1 upon sin theta. Now take the LCM of this one here. What is that? Cos theta. Okay, so here it will be cos theta plus sin theta plus 1. Okay, this term will be converted as cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 upon cos theta, and this will be as, take LCM as sin theta, then this will be sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 when you take LCM. So now this side you can see sin theta plus cos theta is considered as A, so A plus B and into A minus B, that formula will come, A plus B into A minus B. You can see that this is as A, this whole term I can consider as A plus B, then A minus B, upon denominator you can see cos theta is there, sin theta is there, into, so multiplication means sin theta into cos theta. So now implies A square minus B square, A minus B into A plus B formula we know, that is A square minus B square, means cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square, 1 square is 1 only. So now A plus B whole square formula put, that is cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1, this minus 1. Now keep it likewise. Okay, or you may put here in place of 1 you can put the formula as which one? Cos square theta, this one, cos square theta plus sin square theta, and then cancel, that way also you can do. Or this value we know that this is 1, this cos square theta plus sin square theta, so 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1, so plus 1 minus 1 in the numerator cancel, and denominator is sin theta into cos theta. So now what is left out in the numerator? That is 2 sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. Why is it cancelled? Because it is in the multiplication form. Only in the multiplication form numerator and denominator can be cancelled, not with plus or minus. Okay, so now what is that sign left out here now? 2, that is the 2 is the answer. So in that book you can see which option is having 2 as the answer, that is C. So C and option is the correct one. Now come to the third question. Now third question is sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So now this sec A and tan A converted in terms of sin A and cos A. Okay, so sec A I can write as 1 upon cos A plus tan A I can write as sin A upon cos A into 1 minus sin A. Now this take LCM cos A, then what will be left out in the numerator, that is 1 plus sin A, then into 1 minus sin A. So 1 plus sin A in the numerator and into 1 minus sin A. So A plus B into A minus B, and denominator is cos A only. So A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square. So A square means 1 square. 1 square will be 1 only, minus sin square A. Okay, and denominator cos A. So 1 minus sin square formula we know what it is, cos square A. So now cos square A upon cos A. So 1 cos A will be cancelled because cos square A means cos into cos A into cos A. So 1 cos A cancelled, 1 will be left out, cos A. So equals to cos A. So in which option cos A as the answer it is given, that is option number D. So D is the correct answer for this. Now fourth one we will see 1 plus tan A upon 1 plus cot A. 1 plus tan square A, formula see, 1 plus tan square A is what? Sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A, you can see that what is the formula, that is cosec square A. Okay, so now sec square A will be, can be written as 1 upon sin square cos square A upon sec square can be written as 1 upon sin square A, because that is the reciprocal of this one. So that is equals to, now this I can revert it, 1 upon cos square A into sin square A upon 1. So that is equals to, numerator will be sin square A upon denominator will be cos square A. Sin square A upon cos square A will be equals to tan square A. So which option is having the answer as tan square A? That is option number D. So D is the correct answer for this fourth one. Okay, thank you. Now see children, question number 5, what is given in the book? Prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. In that you can see, in fifth question we have 10 bits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 questions are there. So here I will be solving alternate questions. Okay, that means first, third, fifth, 7th, 9th I will be solving, and you all have to solve 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th and 10th. All even numbers will be your homework, and odd numbers I will be solving on the board to show you. Okay, clear children? Now see the first question, what is given in the first one, that is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay, you have to prove, in the question it is given that you have to prove this is equals to this, means LHS equals to RHS. Okay, now let us take LHS. What is in the LHS? Cosec theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay, so whole square means A minus B formula we know. So here we will be putting which formula? A minus B whole square formula equals to A square minus 2AB, or we can write A square plus B square minus 2AB. This identity we are going to use and put here. Here A is cosec theta and B is cot theta. So here cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 into cos theta, cosec theta into cot theta. Okay. Now this cosec theta I can write as the reciprocal of sin theta. We know that. Okay. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin square theta. So cosec square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta plus cot square, we can convert it into cos into sin form, that is cos square theta upon sin square theta minus 2 into cosec is again a reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 upon sin theta into again cot, I can change it into sin into cos form, that is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, so now you can see everywhere we have sine square theta in the denominator. So I can again write 1 upon sine square theta plus cos square theta upon sine square theta minus 2 into multiply the numerator and denominator. What I will get? Cos theta upon sine square theta. So everywhere you can see the denominator is having sine square theta. Take LCM as sine square theta. So numerator will be 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta. Now this is in the formula of which one? You can write this as a square plus b square minus 2ab is what? A minus b whole square formula. Remember, just reverse of this one. So now here this is a, this is b, and minus 2 into ab. Clear? So this I can write as 1 minus cos theta whole square. Clear, children? And upon sine square theta is there in the denominator. We know this formula, sine square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So here in place of sine square theta we will put what? 1 minus cos square theta. Okay. So here this means what? Whole square means 2 times it will be written. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, cos theta whole square. Okay. So that is, and upon 1 minus cos square theta is there, that means it is in the formula of a square minus b square. The formula of a square minus b square we know, that is a minus b into a plus b. Clear? So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, both are common in numerator and denominator. So that will get cancelled. Now what is left out? 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta. So that will be in the next line, that is 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is equals to the required answer, that is RHS. So equals to RHS proved. Clear, children? Now second one is your homework. Okay, do it as homework. Now third question, see, tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta equals to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. Okay, so this is our LHS and that is our RHS. From LHS we have to prove the RHS. Okay, so LHS will be equals to tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. Now this again we will change into sin and cos form. Okay, so this tan theta I can write as sin theta upon cos theta, because it is given in that book also, the hint. Hint means the conversion of cot theta and tan theta into sin and cos form. Okay, so now here tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta, denominator again what is there, 1 minus cot theta will be cos theta minus upon sin theta. Okay, plus same way cot theta cos upon sin, cos theta upon sin theta, again denominator what, 1 minus tan theta will be written as sin theta upon cos theta. Okay, now this I can write as, this numerator and denominator I can write as sin theta upon cos theta into, now this LCM will come. Okay, so directly I wrote LCM will be sin theta, and now sin theta will be multiplied here, so sin theta minus cos theta, got that? Okay, plus again same cos theta upon sin theta, numerator is written like this, into this denominator again take the LCM, that is cos theta will be the LCM. So cos theta will go up because you have to find the reciprocal of it. So cos theta will go up upon then cos theta minus sin theta. So here you can see, child, here sin theta minus cos theta is there, but here cos theta minus sin theta. So we have to take minus sin here common, so that both the terms will be same. Here you can see first sin theta is there, then cos theta. Here first cos theta, then sin theta. Remember? So next time we will do that. Now equals to numerator multiply, that is sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta, plus again numerator multiply and denominator multiply. So it will be cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. As it is now I wrote. Next line we will take the common of it. That is equals to sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta upon, now you can see here cos is there first and then sin. So I have to bring sin first, then cos. So what I will do, I will take sin as common, minus sin as common. Okay, if I take sine minus sign common, what I will get? Sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Now remember children, so here I have taken what? Minus sign common. So when I have taken minus sign common, now this changed. Cos theta went back and sin theta came front. So minus taken common, so sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. Now both the terms denominator, this part is same. Sin theta minus cos theta, here also sin theta minus cos theta. So next line will be sin square theta upon cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So here plus into minus will be what? Minus. So minus sign will come and then minus sign will come and then cos square theta upon sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. So now we will take what? LCM of these two. So here you can see cos theta is there, here sin theta. Rest two terms are same. So our LCM will be sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Okay. So now here cos theta and this one. When you divide, what you will get? Only sin theta will be left out. So sin theta into sin square theta will be sin cube theta minus, same way here sin theta cancel. Sin theta minus cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta cancel. So what is left out? Cos theta only. So cos theta will be multiplied with the numerator. So cos theta into cos square theta will be cos cube theta. Okay. So now we know the formula of a cube minus b cube. What is it? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So that we will put here. So that is sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin into cos, sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta whole upon sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Denominator will be same as it is. Now you can see sin theta minus cos theta in the numerator and in the denominator. Both are there. So we can cancel. Why we are able to cancel? Because it is in the multiplied form. Only the terms which are in the multiplied form of numerator and denominator can be multiplied. Okay. So now minus sin theta minus cos theta, and here also we can see sin theta minus cos theta. Both are in the bracket, that is in the multiplied form, so it will be cancelled off. So now what is left out in the numerator? That is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta into cos theta. Denominator, what is left out? That is sin theta into cos theta. We know that this sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. I have given you the formula. Okay, so that will be 1 and plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. Now we will take separate the fractions. So what it will be? So 1 upon sin theta into cos theta plus sign in between. So plus again this part, whole part, sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta. We have separated the terms. Okay. So now here sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta into cos theta, both are same. So it will be in the multiplied form. So that will be cancelled off. So we will get only 1 there. And here 1 upon sin theta into cos theta. So again this also we will be separating. So it will be 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta plus 1. So this reciprocal of sin theta will be your what? Cosec theta. So cosec theta into reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. So that is sec theta. So cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. So that is equals to, I can bring this because it is in the plus form. I can bring 1 to the front. So 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta is the required RHS. Okay. So that is equals to RHS proved. Okay. Clear children? Now after that we will see what? The 5th question. Because 4th question is your homework. As I said, alternate questions will be your homework. So this 4th one is your homework. Now let us move to the 5th part. Now 5th part is given as cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1, which is equals to cosec A plus cot A. Here in the question it is given that using the identity cosec square A minus equals to 1 plus cot square A. So this identity we have to apply here. Okay. So for this we need to have these terms in the form of cosec A and cot A. But we can see only in the form of cos A and sin A. That means we have to divide the numerator and denominator with sin A. So LHS will be cos A minus sin A. The same question will copy down. That is cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now dividing the numerator and denominator with sin A, we will get what? We get cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. Whole denominator, what is there? Cos A upon sin A plus sin A, this one sin A upon sin A, then minus 1 upon sin A. Okay, both numerator and denominator we are dividing by sin A. Okay, so cos A upon sin A will be what? Cot A minus sin A upon sin A will be 1. So that is 1 plus 1 reciprocal of sin A will be what? Cosec A. Okay, same way divided by this also will be what? Cos upon sin will be cot. So cot A plus sin upon sin will be 1. Sin A upon sin A will be 1. So 1 minus reciprocal of sin A will be cosec A. Clear? So now our numerator is like this. Now this we can separate this particular column. Okay, cot A we will keep as it is, and here minus sign we will take common, so that our this term will be what? 1 minus cosec A. Minus I am taking as common. Okay, so what is in my bracket? Minus 1 minus cosec A. Same way denominator, again cot A keep outside, and these two terms will keep in bracket. That is plus 1, because sign is here in between this plus sign. So we will write here plus, within bracket you can write 1 minus cos A. Clear up to this? Now here, as we were doing in class 9, the rationalization means we have to multiply the opposite sign of the denominator. Terms will be same. Only this middle sign will be changed into the numerator and denominator. Remember? So that is equals to cot A minus, first this part we will write, that is cot A minus within bracket 1 minus cos A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So this part whole we wrote as it is. After that what we are multiplying? The opposite sign of this denominator. Terms will be same, only sign will change into the numerator and denominator, same terms. That is cot A minus within bracket 1 minus cosec A upon cot A minus within bracket 1 upon 1 minus cosec A. You can see the same term we are multiplying to the numerator and denominator. This is called rationalization. We have done in class 9. Okay, recall? Now, so this will be what? Cot A minus 1 minus cosec A within bracket 1 minus cosec A. Means what? Same terms are in the numerator, means it will be a square of it. Okay. A minus B into A minus B will be A minus B whole square. So now you can write here cot A minus within bracket 1 minus cosec A which will be in bracket whole square. Okay, because 2 times the same term is there, that means it will be the square of that term. So now here the square of this. Now denominator what is there? Cot A plus within bracket 1 minus cosec A, and here cot A minus within bracket 1 minus cosec A. So here which formula? That is A minus B into A plus B. So it will be which formula? Equals to A square minus B square formula. So here cot square A, that is the first part, minus B is what? 1 minus cosec A whole square. Clear? So this identity we are going to use there. Okay. So after that we will see what? Now open the A minus B whole square formula, put it, that is A square plus B square minus 2 into A into B. Okay, so here in place of A, cot is there, cot A, and in place of B, 1 minus cosec A. Okay, so it will be cot square A plus 1 minus cosec A whole square minus 2 into cot A into 1 minus cosec A. So this is A, this is B. Okay, clear? And denominator is what? A square minus B square. So what it will be? You can write. So now this one's square we will find out. Cot square A we will write as it is minus. Now we will use this formula. Which one? Here we will use a minus b whole square formula, which is equals to a square minus plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, so see, this will be 1 in place of a, what is there, 1, and in place of b, cosec a. So 1 square plus cosec square a minus 2 into cosec a. Okay, that means a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay, got it? Now open the brackets now. That is cot square a plus. Now again here also you can see 1 minus cosec a whole square is given. So like in the denominator you will expand this also. So now put the formula, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. That formula we will apply. So what our terms will be? 1 plus cosec square a minus 2 cosec a minus what is in this, multiply 2 cot a to these two terms. So what it will be? Minus 2 cot a plus 2 into cot a into cosec a. Okay, and denominator will be what? You can see there, cot square a minus, multiply this with the terms. Okay, so minus 1 minus cosec square a plus 2 into cosec a. So this will minus will be multiplied to the whole term. So minus 1 minus cosec square a plus 2 cosec a. What the denominator? After that what is there? Now see, open the brackets. Cot square a plus 1 plus cosec square a minus 2 into cosec a minus 2 cot a plus 2 into cot a into cosec a. Now this formula, it is given in the identity, you might have seen, this is given. So now you can see 1 plus cot square. Here you can see 1 plus cot square a. So here in place of this we will use what? Cosec square a. Okay, so this term will be replaced with cosec square a because this is given in the question. Okay, clear? Now put the value cosec square a plus, again this value is cosec square a minus 2 into cosec a minus 2 into cot a plus this one value same, cot a into cosec a. Clear? Now after that, down you can see cot square a minus cosec square a. Formula we know, that is 1. Okay, so that we will put here. Okay, where is that? This one. Got? Now cosec square a minus cosec cot square a minus cosec square a. But we know that formula, what is that? Formulas, cosec square a minus cot square a equals to 1. But here what is given? You can see cot square is first, not cosec. So what? We will take minus common. So if I will write cot square a minus cosec square a, same formula if I change, if I take minus sign common. So what I will get? Cot square a minus cosec square a equals to minus 1. Clear? So now minus 1 value we will put here. So this cot square a minus cosec square a will be minus 1. So minus 1, this is already minus 1 plus 2 into cosec a denominator. Okay. So now from here we will see this side. So that is equals to 2 because cosec square a plus cosec square a will be 2 cosec square a plus, then again minus sign is there, minus 2 cosec a minus 2 cosec a, again minus 2 cot a, 2 cot a, then plus sign, 2 cot a into cosec a, 2 cot a into cosec a. Numerator got it. Denominator, what is there? Minus 1 will be minus 2. Okay, plus 2 cosec a plus 2 cosec a. Clear? Now after that, now here what is there? In these two terms, what is common? We will take 2 cosec a. 2 cosec a is common, so we have taken that. Now what is left out here? Cosec a, 1 cosec a is left out, so that is cosec a. Here nothing is left out, means 1, minus 1. So here also bring this term first and this term second. So it will be 2 then cot a. Because this term came first, I am taking this as front. So plus 2 cot a I took. Means from here 2 cot a gone. 2 cot a gone. What is left out? Cosec a. Now minus this term. So this term 2 cot a came out. What is left out? 1. So minus 1. Upon, same way here you might have seen what is there. First bring this plus sign, then the minus sign. Okay, so plus sign means first take 2 common, because here also you can see in both the terms we have 2. So 2 take common, and then first bring the positive term, that is cosec A minus, then this minus 1, because 2 is taken common, so minus 1 will be there. So now you can see in these 2 terms what is common, cosec A minus 1. Here also you can see cosec A minus 1. So take 2, because both the terms you can see here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. Okay, so 2 into cosec A minus 1 will be the common term came out. Now these 2 terms gone out from here. What is left out? Cosec A minus 1. So gone out this one and this one. So what is left out? Cosec A only. So here cosec A, and from here this term, this one and 2 gone out. So what is left out? Cot A. So plus cot A. Denominator you can see 2, then cosec A minus 1. So 2 into cosec A minus 1. So 2 numerator denominator cancel. Here also cosec A minus 1, here also cosec A minus 1. Numerator denominator cancel. Now what is left out? Cosec A plus cot A. So that is our required question. That is our required question, that is cosec A plus cot A. So that means it is proved. This is equals to RHS, which is proved. Clear children? Understood? Okay. Thank you.